Have you ever looked at a property and thought, that looks good, but I don't really know if it's actually a good deal? You're exactly who this video is for, because in property, the site is the deal and the numbers come second. Most investors lose money before they even buy because simply they choose the wrong location, the wrong planning angle, or the wrong strategy. So that's where we come in. We at Alpas Group, we can help you to shortcut your property journey. Let's be honest, you can learn about property on YouTube. There are plenty of free videos. You can attend courses. You can even analyze spreadsheets. But here's what people don't tell you. The best deals don't actually hit Rightmove because sometimes people don't want to actually list their property for sale on Rightmove. And what we do is we get the inside track on the best deals from motivated sellers. So estate agents don't necessarily understand development potential. Planning angles are invisible to beginners, and one wrong purchase can actually set you back years because you can lose tens of thousands of pounds. So the biggest pain of all is that you don't know what you don't know. So perhaps you're thinking that buy-to-lets are the most profitable strategy. It's not necessarily the case these days because you're taxed on all of the revenue you earn from your buy-to-let property as your personal income if you have it in your personal name. So you need to either buy in a company or you need to do a different strategy that's more profitable. So don't sit on the sidelines, don't overpay for average deals, or don't buy something that looked good but never really stacked up. So we at Alpas Group, we're finding sites and we're evaluating sites every day. So what we can do is we can help you to find the right site. If you're short of money, if you're short of time, then we can actually do the site finding service for you. We can find commercial to residential conversion opportunities, high yield rental and serviced accommodation locations, houses of multiple occupation sites, value add for planning uplift angles, and we can find areas where investors can maximize profit, not just for appreciation. And we offer a done for you service, which is £5,000, 4997 for finding you a suitable property to suit your strategy in the location that you require anywhere in the UK. And this is 4997. So if you want to take advantage of our done for you service, then don't hesitate to call me, that's Alan, on 07539 141 257. From outside the UK, that's +44 7539 141 257. You can schedule a call with me at calendly.com/AlanJE, or you can simply drop me an email at alan@alpusgroup.com.